Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an essential topic for all college students out there: credit card do's and don'ts. Building good credit is crucial for your financial future, and navigating the world of credit cards can be tricky. I'm here to break down the essential do's and don'ts to help you make smart decisions and set yourself up for success. Let's get started. Pay your balance in full every single month. Carrying a balance means interest charges. Credit card interest rates can be brutal. By paying in full, you avoid those charges. It shows lenders you're responsible, building a solid credit score. A good credit score opens doors to better loan rates and rentals. Here's a common mistake: maxing out your credit cards. But that's a recipe for disaster. It sends a red flag to lenders. Credit utilization affects your score. Aim to keep it below 30%. Your credit score will thank you. Budgeting might not sound exciting, but it's crucial with credit cards. It's easy to swipe without thinking, but those charges add up fast. Budgeting apps make it easy to track expenses. Set up alerts for spending limits. Track your spending to avoid surprises. Applying for too many cards? Not so fast. It can be tempting to sign up for all those credit card offers, especially with enticing sign-up bonuses. But each time you apply for a credit card, it creates a hard inquiry on your credit report. Too many hard inquiries in a short period can lower your credit score, signaling risk to lenders. Apply for cards gradually and only when you truly need them. Remember, building good credit takes time and patience. Those terms and conditions? Yeah, read them. Reading through pages of legal jargon isn't fun, but those terms and conditions are your Bible. They outline everything you need to know about your card. Don't just skim through them. Take your time and understand what you're agreeing to. Pay close attention to fees. They can add up. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be. Don't ignore your statements. Your credit card statement isn't just junk mail, it's your financial report card. Review it monthly for errors, unauthorized charges, or suspicious activity. Track your spending patterns and ensure payments are processed correctly. Being proactive can save you headaches down the line. Using your credit card responsibly can help you build a positive credit history. Every on-time payment earns you brownie points with the credit bureaus, translating into a better credit score. Use your card for small recurring expenses like gas or groceries. Set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. Building good credit is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, consistency, and responsible habits. Cash advances, the credit card trap. Cash advances might seem like a convenient way to get quick cash, but they're a trap. They come with hefty fees and sky-high interest rates that start accruing immediately. They can hurt your credit score by increasing your credit utilization ratio. If you're in a bind and need cash, explore other options first, like borrowing from a trusted friend or family member, or getting a part-time job. Avoid cash advances whenever possible. Rewards and benefits, your secret weapon. Many credit cards offer perks like cashback, travel points, and discounts. If you're a savvy credit card user, you can make these rewards work in your favor. But remember, don't spend just to earn rewards. Use your card responsibly and treat rewards as a bonus, not a reason to overspend. Find a card that aligns with your spending habits and lifestyle. Guard your credit card info like it's gold. Your credit card information is valuable, so protect it like gold. Never share your card details unless you're sure it's legitimate. Be wary of phishing scams. Identity theft is a real threat. Stay vigilant to protect your financial well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and advice. Managing your credit cards responsibly is a crucial part of adulting, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next video.